for day one, and I'm wearing this really cute pink top. It's very light pink. I really love it. I think it looks nice against black pants. But these are trekking pants, and I got them from Amazon. They're so nice. They're also SPF proof. I think SPF 50 plus. So I really like it. It's actually my first time wearing these, so let's see how they hold up. But for now, they feel comfortable. They're nice. They're soft. And right now I'm wearing these flip-flops, but I will be changing into sneakers. They are in my car. I remember to bring sneakers this time. I know I forgot it at a couple of spots when I went to Portland, but I'm basically ready to conquer today, and let's see what the day has in store for us. This is one of the other hiking spots. We came from all the way up there. We kind of came down. Those are my cousins right there. And look how gorgeous it is. So pretty. So gorgeous. And then I think Sand Beach is there. That is another beach we're going to explore tomorrow. Wow, that is so gorgeous. Here we are at another amazing place. Gorgeous, isn't it? Here is the back view, full 360 degrees. So this is the other side of what I showed you earlier. So there's so much more to see over there. It's just so cool. That's where I was sitting earlier. And then big waves. Haha. Enjoying the waves. So gorgeous. So we are on Cadillac Mountain, and we are here to see the sunset. And so our people, but we are wondering if we should stay today or come back tomorrow because it's quite windy and we don't really have heavy jackets. So let's see what we do, but here's a quick glance at it. It's really beautiful. So we just got into the room now. Pizza was okay, very oily but not too bad. And this is a room we're staying at Best Western. Not bad, I guess. It's okay. We got 2 beds, so that's good. But yeah, that really does it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next day vlog. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.